So, when I travel, I like to have my personal watercolor travel boxes, at least one of them. I find them in flea markets and second-hand shops. So I'm going to show you how I made my travel box. So what you need is varnish, an oven dry clay. I use Fimo clay, a tiny container like a candy box, a pill box, or something like that. I've been using an antique cigarette box. And you need some tubes of liquid paint. When you set up the watercolor set, you can use your favorite colors. I also have the primary colors, which is the magenta, cyan, and coal yellow. And with the primary colors, you can make all the colors in the color wheel, plus browns. So first I sprayed the box with varnish, and then the clay needs to be soft. So you just warm it in your hand and fit the clay in the bottom of the box. And you see I also have it around the edges. And don't make it too thick, it will just make the box heavy. And also clear the edges and make sure that you prevent the paint to spring out. Later you will bake the clay in the oven, and you just read the package and see what it says. When you have baked it and it's cool, you add the paint and let it set for a day or two to dry. If your box is new, you maybe don't have to varnish it, but anyway, the lid can be used as mixing, and it's nice if it's white. So you can see if you can find paint that you can use on metal and tin and whatever. The whole process takes about 30 minutes. And this is quite easy to make, and I hope you try it out and have fun. It's really nice to have your own box. I just love it a lot and enjoy it every time I pull it out. So that's about it for now. See you later!